This video will highlight our favorites product. We will show you the specifications and benefits of the product.
Designed and manufactured here in the United States, Aprilaire's Whole Home Humidifier Model 700 is a powerful solution for the dry air inside your home. The Model 700's internal powered fan pulls air directly from your furnace, humidifying the air before it is dispersed throughout your home. With a capacity that will add 18 gallons of moisture to your home per day, the Model 700 will humidify homes up to 4,200 square feet. Providing a variety of health benefits, in-home humidification has been proven to reduce the incidence of respiratory infections, dry skin, and static shock. Aprilaire, trusted solutions for a healthy home.
Now, let's see the features of this great product. And these are editor rating for this product.